Welcome back to our channel. Get ready to be blown away by jaw-dropping footage that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Witness the raw power of the world's most formidable forestry machines and the fearless drivers who command them with unmatched skill. Buckle up, let's dive in. Built for rugged forestry work, this forestry tractor moves powerfully through dense terrain, managing heavy-duty tasks with ease. Its strength and adaptability make it an essential machine in clearing operations, able to tackle uneven forest floors and dense vegetation with remarkable precision and speed. Equipped with impressive power, this stump grinder grinds stumps into fine mulch, handling tough roots with precision. Ideal for clearing land quickly, it showcases robust cutting ability and consistent performance, making stump removal an efficient and straightforward process. Operated wirelessly, this stump grinder brings an extra level of convenience and control to tough stump clearing tasks. Its advanced remote system allows operators to handle the machine from a safe distance, all while it expertly grinds down stubborn stumps with ease and precision. Navigating a muddy, slippery, and dangerously tight curve, this heavy loaded timber truck is a true display of power and resilience. Watching it maneuver through such challenging conditions is thrilling, as it showcases both the driver's skill and the truck's robust capabilities in extreme situations. Facing a deep, muddy stretch of road, this heavily loaded timber truck calls for the assistance of a powerful winch. With the help of a sturdy cable pull, the truck is carefully hauled through the muck, demonstrating the teamwork and strength needed to handle tough logging routes safely and effectively. Despite the truck's considerable length, the driver expertly navigates a narrow curve, demonstrating impressive skill and precision. Each turn of the wheel shows remarkable experience, making a tight squeeze look almost effortless. It's a true display of mastery behind the wheel. Watching this powerful truck in action is nothing short of exhilarating. The vehicle's raw strength and commanding presence make every movement captivating, especially as it tackles difficult tasks with ease, such an impressive sight of engineering prowess. This wood splitter makes short work of even the largest logs, its powerful hydraulic arm and razor-sharp blade slicing cleanly through massive pieces of wood. The machine's strength and precision transform challenging work into a quick and efficient task, leaving nothing but evenly split firewood. Just look at the sheer size of this enormous log, yet it's no match for the mighty wood-splitting machine. With a swift, forceful motion, the machine breaks the log down with ease, proving that even the biggest tasks can be handled with the right equipment. Here's yet another powerhouse of a wood-splitting machine easily taking on a massive log with every cut. Its robust design and strength make log splitting efficient and satisfying to watch, leaving neatly divided wood in its wake. With sheer strength, the Spaltsanga LHS 700 tackles a large log, expertly splitting it down the middle. This machine's efficiency in handling oversized wood makes it an essential tool for heavy-duty wood processing. When a heavily loaded truck gets its front wheels trapped in deep mud, a powerful excavator comes to the rescue. Using its arm to pull the truck free, the excavator demonstrates its strength and versatility, turning a tricky situation into a seamless recovery operation. Amidst a vast, snow-blanketed landscape, this mighty truck powers forward, undeterred by the slick, deeply muddy terrain beneath its wheels. Each tire grips firmly, cutting through thick layers of mud and slush as it charges ahead with unstoppable force. The combination of sheer power and advanced traction control allows it to tackle the harsh elements effortlessly, transforming what would be a nearly impossible journey into a smooth ride. Watching this beast navigate the slippery, treacherous road without a hint of struggle is nothing short of exhilarating. A true testament to the engineering that enables it to dominate even the most extreme conditions. You won't be able to take your eyes off the screen as this powerful truck takes on the challenge of a mud-laden path. Each attempt is more gripping than the last as it pushes through the thick, slippery terrain, its wheels churning up clouds of mud in a relentless drive forward. After a few determined tries, the truck finally conquers the road, showcasing raw power and resilience in an incredible display of strength and persistence. This is the kind of scene that keeps you hooked from start to finish.